An exclusive now. Sources tell us that M&M has closed the subscription for the InvIT listing of its Renewable platform, which allows value unlocking and deleveraging for the subsidiary. Nisha, you've been tracking the story. Take us through the details.
So it continues, Pavitra, with our continuous coverage of REITs and InvITs and how this space is really expanding. So from a large conglomerate, Mahindra and Mahindra, remember they have a subsidiary, Mahindra Susten, for renewable energy, and that has rolled out a private listed InvIT. And in fact, that listing is likely by next week, is what sources do indicate. Now, they had given out a proposed offer document with the SEBI, and that particular subscription has been closed, at what sources with direct knowledge share with us. So what is the outcome of this subscription? A private InvIT listing, which is called Sustainable Energy Infra Trust, and it has got some of the marquee investors like AIIB has anchored this particular InvIT, and that, along with some of the domestic institutional investors, will hold 40% stake in this particular InvIT. And also remember that Mahindra Susten already has a stakeholder, Ontario Teachers Pension Fund, OTPP, which will hold, by way of this deal, 33% stake in the InvIT. So what we are talking about in numbers, about 2,350 odd crore rupees of equity fundraising has taken place by way of listing this InvIT. And the total enterprise valuation, which includes debt as well as the equity fund raised, is about 6,800 crore rupees. So net, Pavitra, what we are looking at is this 6,800 crore rupees of, in a way, benefit because of this transaction. And then Mahindra Susten, being a developer, has offloaded and deleveraged to a large extent. So we are looking at it as a value unlocking as well as deleveraging exercise by Mahindra and Mahindra as a sponsor, as well as the parent company, and Mahindra Susten, the subsidiary company, Pavitra.
All right, Nisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of the details on that. We're going to wind down